your friendship zone, it eventually gonna convert for some loved one because आप हर अपने
से मतलब
if you know you know yeah no अरे looking then you cannot get out of red flag
रात में मत टेक्स्ट करो गाइस. Would you date a bald guy? गाइस देखो आप पीछे जो दिख रहे हैं ना गर्ल्स हमको अच्छे दिख रहे हैं, सो हम लोग उनको जाके अप्रोच करने वाले हैं. Hey, hi. Actually, I was just passing by and I noticed you guys. You guys are actually beautiful.
Thank you.
Just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Ganesh and oh, is it? Oh, beautiful name. Sorry? Prerna.
मुस्कान आना
सॉरी यार मैं इतने ब्यूटीफुल हो कि मैं भूल गया कि मैं एक्चुअली बोलने क्या वाला था. सो एक्चुअली हम लोग नॉर्मली कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल्स को. सो just dating questions. So just wanted to know like how a guy should find a date.
how a guy should randomly like suddenly
No, actually kaise bhi, I mean not through Instagram but if he is like going in class मतलब in person kaise date मिलनी चाहिए एक लड़के को.
just impress her by saying some pickup lines.
Oh, is it so?
Saying her some pickup lines and she'll be impressed, I swear.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you are a pickup line person.
No, actually I'm not. I am like पहले मैं वेट करवाऊंगी, then अगर मुझे पसंद आया then
Okay,
yeah.
but anyhow आप pickup line मतलब अच्छे लगते हैं आप.
हाँ, पिकअप लाइंस मतलब मोस्टली गर्ल्स अच्छा लगता है जो लड़के पिकअप लाइन मारते हैं.
Okay,
So like अगर if you want a girl to be your date, don't be so cheap. मतलब
Okay.
directly don't jump to yo you're looking good and let's hang out. No, first try to know her and then ask for a date.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
सो गाइस संस्कृति को इम्प्रेस करना है तो आप नॉर्मली आप उनके बारे में पूछ लो, जान लो एंड हाँ और उनको ये भी अच्छा लगता है.
But I'm
Pickup line.
already impressed by someone.
Oh, is it? Who is it?
I won't reveal the name, but he's someone special in my life.
Oh, shit man, she is booked yaar. So wait for your turn. I will mention her Instagram ID in the description. Maybe you can stand in queue.
Like मेरे को तो लगता है just download Hinge और Bumble.
यार वो मुझे लगता है यार वो फेल है यार, वो उतना मुझे नहीं लगता उतना कुछ काम कर रहा है एटलीस्ट मैं.
नहीं किया but
ओके
मतलब it's better than like dating somebody here especially Pune.
ओके लाइक इन पर्सन अगर ट्राई करा जाए तो मतलब कैसे करना चाहिए बंदे ने?
In person try करो.
I can answer to that question. Maybe just go and subtly just appreciate something about the girl. Maybe her dressing sense or her hair, anything.
Don't be a creep.
Exactly. Don't be a creep.
Okay, how he
Yeah.
can not be a creep?
It's like most of the guys they come and they start asking you like questions like what's your name and I find you very attractive, can we share our Instagram IDs, and that's very like that's kind of creep. Like it is creep. I've been through that and मेरे को कभी ऐसा पर्सनली लगा नहीं कि मैं कभी ऐसे बंदे को दे दूं करके. Even he is a nice guy. I don't
Okay.
feel like just like don't approach directly yaar. It's very cheap. I don't like it.
ओके तो आप प्रेरणा को डायरेक्टली अप्रोच मत करो.
Don't approach at all. Don't approach at all.
वैसे मैंने अप्रोच करा
ऐसा
है
कोई करता नहीं है.
ओके वैसे मैंने अप्रोच किया तो अभी चीप था, क्रीपी था.
No.
इट वाजंट. ओके थैंक यू.
Don't be pushy.
Or don't be typical.
हाँ.
कि मतलब can I get your Instagram blah blah. Don't do that.
And don't push yourself. If she's not interested, then don't push yourself.
Do you think like men and women can be best friend, like a friend?
Okay, so I'll have a good answer for that.
Okay.
So the guy who I am dating currently, we were best friends for like last 3 years, and now we are in a relationship. So yeah, a guy and a girl can't be a best friend if you say, but if there is really a friendship zone, it eventually gonna convert for some loved one because आप हर अपने partner में एक friend भी ढूंढते हो.
Okay.
So I won't say that.
Okay. मतलब guys, it's possible to get out of friend zone. So it's a good news for us. And how about you? प्रेरणा?
No, they cannot be friends at all. No, never. You know,
Okay.
they have that spark. कुछ ना कुछ होता है उनके बीच में. They can never be friends. It's my personal experience. That's what. Even I was the friend sometimes. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, ये तो good news है मतलब.
If you know, you know.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
लड़का और लड़की कभी दोस्त नहीं हो सकते हैं.
Never.
Okay.
Yeah.
मतलब अब मेरे को इनसिक्योरिटी हो रही है भाई, मेरी बंदी जा रही है अभी तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में घूमने दो.
No, friends is something else, but अगर आपको कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड होता है, so
Yeah,
he
like,
accepts
no,
you
we're
in
talking
every
about-
single way.
A best friend, you know, जो होता है वो concept होता है boy best friend, girl best friend. तो वो वाला सीन जो है ना, वो कभी भी ऐसा फ्रेंड वाला वे में नहीं जाता है. You know,
It
if we
eventually
break,
gonna
yeah,
be
yeah.
the other way.
Yeah. That's right.
No.
अरे
सच में आंसर अच्छे थे. आंसर मैं एक्चुअली कुछ और एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था.
why? What were you expecting?
No, actually I have a perception that कि boy cannot get out of friend zone. That's a zone. I mean वहाँ पे आप चले गए. It's a
If he's not good looking, then he cannot get out of it. Yeah, right. If he's not good looking.
No, it's not like that.
Okay.
See, on my personal experience, I'll say that अगर दिल बहुत अच्छा है ना, बहुत अच्छा, so if the guy is trying 100%,
okay.
you eventually gonna be with him because आप उसके पीछे भागोगे जो good looking होगा, and then he won't give you everything because वो फिर कहीं और जाके किसी और अच्छी लड़की को ढूंढेगा.
Okay.
But if a guy is good from his heart,
Hmm.
then definitely, you know, you should go for it. Don't
Okay.
let him wait, and you know.
But girls don't like boys with good heart.
No, I do.
Only you do.
मतलब अभी संस्कृति का बंदा मतलब गुड हार्टेड है. समझ रहे हो आप?
Very good hearted.
Can a woman and a man be just friends?
Yeah, I think. मेरे नहीं रहे, but हाँ, but the guy ends up liking the girl ही होता है. That I know for sure.
Okay. How about you?
Yes, I think that they can be. But I have guy friends who have girlfriends, and I help them with their relationships.
Okay.
कि okay भाई, अगर वो नाराज है तो उसको ऐसे मना जाकर, and they ask for advice. So I think yes, they can. But वो सिर्फ फ्रेंड्स ही रहते, वो लड़का एंड में पसंद करेगा ही. और अगर वो लड़की मना कर देगी, then वो लड़का किसी और के साथ रिलेशनशिप में आएगा. But कभी ना कभी वो पसंद करेगा ही.
हाँ.
ये I'm 100% sure.
हाँ, ये हो सकता है कि maybe he has no one, he ends up liking you. That can be because he knows you that well. Now that is why you are friends. So there might be some sexual chemistry which might grow.
I mean, how a guy should chat on Instagram? Like, this is a basic question which I got on search engine. So,
मुझे लगता है कि मतलब just don't text सिर्फ रात में. You have to be like constant.
okay.
सुबह भी शाम में भी you have to be constant. ये नहीं कि सिर्फ रात में आप एक लड़की को टेक्स्ट कर रहे हो.
Okay.
That doesn't work.
Okay.
A red flag.
रात में मत टेक्स्ट करो guys.
रात में मत करो. सिर्फ
Okay.
रात में. Exactly.
समझ जाओ क्यों बोल रहे हैं. And how about you?
I think अगर बात करनी है तो यार talk about her first. You know, just get to know her. Talk about her day. Ask about her day. And yeah, be smooth like that. Don't just push yourself again in the chats. She
और
has
chats में games मत खेलो. मतलब you're not like 14 or 15.
exactly.
बात करो.
Don't play games कि
हाँ.
यार मैं अब इग्नोर करूंगा फिर 2 घंटे बाद रिप्लाई करूंगा.
लड़की करेगी तो चलता है.
Oh.
लड़की कर सकती है. आप मत करो.
ये क्यों बोल रहे हो लेकिन?
करना चाहिए
क्योंकि
यार.
लड़कियां भाई लड़कियां कर सकती हैं.
लड़कियों का भाव होता है क्यों?
हाँ, आपको चाहिए ना लड़की तो लड़की को कर सकती है.
One of my subscriber asked, would you date a bald man?
What is
Yeah,
ball?
actually I did.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Bald man.
Ball? No. I thought you were saying ball party wale ball guys.
Ball
So no. Bald guy I never.
No. Yes. Would you date a bald guy?
Not.
No. How about you?
My
She will
father.
not. She will not.
My father is bald, but I don't think so I'll date because I'm too young to date a bald guy. Maybe
But
probably.
that-
No, I mean probably he'll be older than me. Like maybe say 7-8 years if he's bald. I'm like 22 right now, so that's why.
Okay. So you would not date a old guy, but you will date a bald guy.
Old now. Someone who is my age, I don't think so he'll be bald right now. Yeah. But maybe in future if I find someone that amazing, I can.
Okay. जैसे अभी हमारे यहाँ पे हिंदुइज्म है, ऐसे बहुत सारे कंट्रीज है, फिजी, गुआना, सो वहाँ पे भी हिंदुइज्म है. वुड यू डेट अ गाय हु इज फ्रॉम दिस कंट्रीज एंड इज हिंदू? कि या मतलब ऐसे कोई कंट्री है जहाँ पे हिंदुइज्म एज अ रिलीजन है, एंड वुड यू डेट हिम? वुड यू डेट दैट गाय?
See, it's about the person. I won't say like मैंने आज तक जिनको भी डेट किया, I never saw their religion and anything. I always dated like genuinely. I'm saying मैंने जब भी किसी को भी डेट किया है, जैसे मैंने भी थोड़ी देर पहले बोला, from heart itself. So I'll see that whether the guy is good from his heart, then it's okay for me
Okay.
because my parents won't object. But about others, maybe something.
Okay. How about you?
I
No.
won't. I won't. It's like, the culture is very different. If you know, the culture
Yes.
is very different. And I like a guy who is from my culture, like I seriously find attractive जो लड़के होते हैं जो मेरे कल्चर से बिलोंग करते हैं. Yeah, so I won't date anyone who is out of my culture. Even though Hinduism and all, that doesn't matter, but culture के बाहर I won't date anyone. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so Pookie, I think you got your answers. Yeah, it was his name. Mr. Pookie something. Okay. It was pleasure interviewing you guys. Thank you so much, Sanskriti. Thank you so much, Prerna. It was pleasure interviewing you guys. Thank you for being on video.
It was fun.